Firstly, watch this kid's storytelling video. I make this video 100% free with AI. You can make this too. Watch this video till the end. I will show everything step by step to make complete storytelling kids video for free. This kid's channel named Snuggle uploaded only 71 videos and got over 69,000 subscribers within only 4 months. Getting 3 lakh plus views in last 7 days. Estimated monthly earning is between $3,000 to $8,000. What is really incredible. Let's see some popular videos of this channel. This video got over 4 million views within 5 months. This video also got over 4 million views, and next video got over 8 lakh views, and so on. Let's see what kind of kids videos they are making. This are just storytelling AI video with just still images and voiceover. Nothing special. Today we will make better video than this. We will make animated storytelling video with AI for free. Today we will use an AI that will do everything for us: script writing, image generation, voiceover, background music, everything. I will give the link in description to come this AI website directly. Come through the link and sign up first. Sign in with your Google account easily. After come to Dashboard, click on Story Studio button. Then click on New Story button. There are 2 sections. If you need help of AI to write your story, then click on Help Me Get a Story button, or if you have a story script, then click on I Have a Story button. I clicked first one, and in this page in first box write any, and on second box also write any. Now select what genre our story should be. Select children's story. Next, what is your story is about? Give your story idea. I am pasting that video title I copied earlier. You can put as per your requirement and click on Generate Story Outline button. You will see your story is ready. Check your story and finally click on Create the Story button. Now select story format you want. Select vertical for shorts format and select horizontal for YouTube videos. I selected horizontal. Now select visual style of your story. There are 12 pre-built styles. You can select any one from this. Always try to take recommended selection by AI for best result. Here I am selecting storybook style and click on Continue to Character Creator button. And give AI few minutes to generate story characters. Here our story characters are ready. Check characters, and if you don't satisfy with any character, you can change any character by Edit Character button. Write your prompt in this character box and click on Generate Character Image button to recreate character. This process also takes few moments. When you will satisfy with your character, click on Confirm Character button. Finally click on Continue to Storyboard button will start generating story images for each scene. This process also take few minutes in free version. If you want fast generation and best result, you can upgrade to Pro plan. In the meantime, if you have any questions, you can ask me on comment. I will answer all questions one by one. All story images for all scenes are generated by AI automatically. First check all images. Now save images one by one by clicking on right button and save image as to your PC or laptop. Please make sure you naming images properly for future use. If you're not happy with any scene image, you can regenerate scene by clicking image button and write prompt and click generate button. Every time it will generate 2 scenes, you can switch between images. Make sure you save all images to your PC or laptop one by one. Later we will make this images into animated video free with Grok AI. Come to Grok AI and sign up using your Google account for free use. Now click on Imagine button at left side of menu bar. Now click on Attach button and upload your first image, then wait for minutes. Grok will automatically convert image into a stunning AI video. After video generation complete, download the file to PC. Make sure you naming all video files properly. Now do the same thing for rest of your images in same way. Upload your images one by one and convert all images into video and download all videos. I am telling you again, make sure you naming all video files properly because we will compile these files into video. If you not subscribed to my channel yet, I request you to subscribe to my channel. When you complete to turn all images into videos, come back to AI website and click on Export button and wait few minutes to render the video completely. When render will be completed, click Download the video button to save this video. After that you can check this video, you will see this is just image-based video. Let's see this video at first. Later we will make animated video with our AI video files.
In a snug little corner, a mouse gazed at the twinkling stars. His big dreamy eyes sparkled like the night sky, filled with whispers of adventure. As the moon climbed higher, shadows danced. A familiar blanket lay nearby, beckoning with warmth and comfort.
See, this is just image-based video where voiceover, background music all added by AI, but just image-based story video. So, as we made all images into videos, so we will now go to make our final animated video. Visit clipchamp and sign up. I will add all necessary links to description. After come to this dashboard, click on Create a new video button. Then click Import button and then import final exported video first and drag it to timeline. Then make volume 200% for better sound. And then import all AI video files we made earlier with Grok AI. Now drag those files into timeline serially and place them upon previous track. Finally check by clicking play button of your video and adjust clips upon with your main video file. If you have any questions you can ask me on comment. I will answer all questions one by one. After completing your work, click on Export button. Select 1080p for higher quality video. Let's see our final exported video.
In a snug little corner, a mouse gazed at the twinkling stars. His big dreamy eyes sparkled like the night sky, filled with whispers of adventure. As the moon climbed higher, shadows danced. A familiar blanket lay nearby, beckoning with warmth and comfort. Suddenly, soft fabric slipped away into gloom. Worry twisted.
How is the video? Now let's see keyword research for this video before upload to your YouTube channel. I will put this site link in description. Bedtime stories for toddlers, keyword showing medium competition and high search volume. So let's visit to studio.youtube.com and upload this video. Make sure to give an awesome title and thumbnail for your video. For better title, try to use that tool I am using. I will give the link in description. When you will upload kids story, make sure to select yes, it's made for kids, otherwise your channel can be banned anytime. Our upload is completed and successfully published this video. Let's see our full final video.
In a snug little corner, a mouse gazed at the twinkling stars. His big dreamy eyes sparkled like the night sky, filled with whispers of adventure. As the moon climbed higher, shadows danced. A familiar blanket lay nearby, beckoning with warmth and comfort. Suddenly, soft fabric slipped away into gloom. Worry twisted in the little one's heart. He darted among the stacked treasures. Pages fluttered, tumbling like leaves in a wild wind. With an accidental nudge, the tower teetered. It crashed down, a noisy avalanche of stories. Friends rushed in, alarmed by the commotion. Feathers and fur mixed as they set to help. Tumbles and trips, laughter tangled with chaos. The room became a whirlwind of furry fracas. He paused, inhaling deeply. Eyes closed, he pictured the blanket, a warm hug enveloping him. Twinkling stars replied to his wish. A soft breeze whispered promises through the open window. Then, like magic, the favorite blanket returned, fluffing around him with a cozy embrace. Relief washed over him. He nestled in, letting sleep wash his worries away. His loyal friends smiled. Their hearts warmed with the quiet joy of friendship, knowing he was safe.
Thank you for watching. I recommend you to also watch this video.